striped bass. He was loose once, Larry.
He's loose again, Larry.
Hold still, little fella.
You gonna make the cut?
Yep. He's just a young one. You're too young, Larry. Let him go. About 7 feet. I'll get away if I don't get a hold of him. But I think he's too little anyway.
Here's one. There's one. Here's one that'll work. Oh, tough. Here's one that'll work. Here's one that'll work.
Oh, he's even smaller than mine, Larry.
Well, dadgummit.
Hold him up here when you get him, Larry, and we'll a pair of black crappie. Twins almost. They're sure a pretty fish.
They really are.
And they're gone.
You got his tail, JR?
I got his tail. Catch him. I can't catch him. Oh, Larry, he's going to go down there and hang you up in that
I
spot.
know him he is. I know him he is.
If you know he's out and free, I'll pull us away from it. Is he up above it, you think?
I think so.
Let me pull us away from it, see if we can get him out of there.
Come on, you rascal.
Maybe a channel cat.
Ah! Don't talk like that. It's got to be a big walleye. Got to be a big walleye.
He'd have gave up by now.
Not this walleye. Not this walleye.
That's 11-inch black crappie. What if you throw that for that catfish?
Oh, now come on, come on.
Could be a carp.
That'd be. I know about that.
Channel cat. How soon we forget how much fun a channel cat is. He don't want to come to the boat, does he?
Nope. You got him?
I got him.
He do some slack. I bet he slimed me.
Yeah, he did.
Put him in the pot.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
You want that nasty thing?
Yes, sir.
Black crappie? Right here, I've been fishing some big white. Well, come back here. Little fishing. You work. He goes in the bucket.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. He's going to make the cut, ain't he?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty thing. Pretty thing.
Fine fishing.
Glad you came along, JR, and take them fish off for me.